So the rate at which a gray whale's heart beats is 24 times per 3 minutes. Or in other words, dividing top and bottom by 3, I can get 8, let's call it beats instead of times, 8 beats per 1 minute. Okay, so to find out how many times the whale's heart will beat in a day, we have to first realize that one day, right, in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, and in 24 hours we have 24 times 60 minutes. Okay, so this is how many minutes we have. So if we have 8 beats per 1 minute, right, we got to figure out what is this per day. Well, one day is the same thing as this, right? So if I multiply the bottom by 24 times 60 and the top by 24 times 60, right, then I can get at the bottom this time here, which is exactly 1 day, right? And then 8 times 24 times 60, we get 11520 beats per day.